everyone, welcome back to Sarah's Cookery Tips. Thanks for joining me again today. If it's the first time you are here though, please do like, share and subscribe my page and do leave comments. I do appreciate that. Now today I'm going to make for you is chicken and lemon bake using lots of fresh ingredients. So come on, let's crack on. So to make this delicious recipe, we're going to need 8 whole chicken thighs, 2 leeks, 2 onions, double cream, 2 lemons and some chicken stock and fresh rosemary. So into the about 20 by 30 centimetre roasting dish, we're going to add the chicken thighs. I'm going to season well with salt and pepper and get these in the oven. The oven's going to be set to 200 degrees Celsius for fan, 180 degrees Celsius for conventional and gas mark 6. We're going to place these in the oven for approximately 40 minutes until they're golden brown and crispy. So whilst they're in the oven, we'll prepare the vegetables. We're going to be chopping up both the leeks, just roughly. And oops, forgot to mention these ingredients. How could I forget the wine? The wine, we need some 50 grams of butter and 2 garlic cloves. So we roughly chop up the garlic and slice and dice the onions. Taking one of our lemons, we're going to squeeze the juice out of one of them. This all goes in with the vegetables on later. Okay, so on a low heat, we place the butter into the saucepan. Add the garlic and the onions. And last not least, the leeks. Now you cook these through so they go like translucent. And then you add the chicken stock. And approximately 100 ml of wine. Must be quite a nice wine, not a cheap one, but not so expensive. And then we're going to mix the ingredients in. Can add a little bit of water. And simmer for 10 minutes. So once that's simmered, we're then going to add the lemon juice and the double cream. Approximately 100 ml of double cream. The carton it came in was a 300 ml, so just a third of that. So we're going to mix this all in and then again gently simmer for 5 to 10 minutes. So while that is, the chicken's then ready. It comes out and I've just taken off the fat and residues And then once the sauce is thickened, we place the mixture between the chicken thighs. Keeping the skin exposed. Then we place the second lemon, we slice that and place it on top of the chicken. And then we add the fresh rosemary sprigs, just scatter them on the top. Then these are ready to go back in the oven for 20 minutes. I'm serving this with rice, which is a nice side dish for the chicken, which complements it well. So there you have it, your chicken and lemon bake. So there you go. Did you see what I missed in the middle? Those little 3 ingredients. Oops. Well, what I'm going to do for you is put the list like I normally do on all my videos of all the ingredients that I've used underneath in the comment section. So if you would like to comment, if you'd like to see any other recipes, please do like, share and subscribe, and I'll see you next time for some more delicious recipes.